Ooh, Lordy, my trouble so hard. Ooh, Lordy, my trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble.
Hi, Erica. Hey, it's amazing.
It is amazing.
Trouble but God. Ooh, Lordy, my trouble so hard. Ooh, Lordy, my trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Went down the hill the other day. Soul got happy and stayed all day.
You do. That's how you get, but like.
Well, that's not how I get here. But if it's low tide, like extremely low, and this is all sand, I do watch my GPS tracker on the way back. I'll look at it sometimes.
Ooh, Lord, my trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. When in the room, didn't stay long. Looked on the bed and brother was dead. When in the room, didn't stay long. Looked on the bed and brother was dead.
How did you like it?
It was amazing. From the beginning, from the get-go, is a beautiful experience. First of all, the day is absolutely perfect today. It's warm, it's bright, it's nice, it's beautiful. And when you get there, you're in these mangroves and sandbars, and you can snorkel and swim and see the fish, see all the life, everything.
How
And
about
it's so
the
colorful.
freedom?
It was awesome. And it's so enchanting just to be inside the mangroves and just to let the go with the flow. It was beautiful. What an amazing, and it's so intimate too, because you have your own boat and your own little boat, and you're with your person, just two people in the boat. Is awesome. I loved it. It was an
Awesome.
amazing
I
experience.
love
And
it
then you
too.
stop here and you can come and have lunch still.
Lordy, my trouble so hard. Ooh, Lordy, my trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody know my trouble but God.